The Tuxedo. It's party season, and there is a chance you might need to wear a tuxedo and be put in a career-endangering scenario at your work's Christmas party. So sit down and let your Uncle Cynic give you a few wise words of advice. Don't accidentally mention to your boss's wife he leaves early every afternoon, and that the travel budget has been frozen for the past 5 years. Don't stir up office drama and joke to that needy colleague his girlfriend was chatting to the waiter outside the toilet. And numero uno, don't bring up team rivalries into it, as I once called a rival team a herd of elephants and was met by a furious ex-boss on a Monday morning and marched into HR. And the golden rules. Remember, your work colleagues are not your best friends. Take it easy with a free bar if you have the tendency to get into a mess. Also, there's no shame in leaving earlier or making plans to meet friends elsewhere or simply go home, as nobody wants to babysit a drunken colleague who shouldn't really be drinking anyway, be splitting up fights, or be witness to an event that someone apparently said or did something bad which you didn't see or remember happening, but you get called in like you're testifying to a grand jury. Please give that subscribe button a good dry slap. Ingredient lineup. This is more like a wet martini with some extras thrown in. Old Tom gin, which is an old style English gin, how it would have tasted hundreds of years ago. A dry vermouth, maraschino, absinthe and some orange bitters. To kick this one off, we're going to rinse the glass with a bit of absinthe. I suggest investing in one of these atomizers and just give it 2 sprays, drain off the excess. If you don't have an atomizer, just use half a bar spoon. Add to a mixing glass 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of Old Tom gin. Roll this up with 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of dry vermouth. Then add a bar spoon of maraschino. I was a tad over generous there. Add 3 dashes of orange bitters. Add plenty of ice, and you want to stir this around 45 times or until the mixture is nice and chilled. History wise, this cocktail was named after a club in the 1880s which is called the Tuxedo Club. It's thought to have been created by Harry Johnson. There are many different versions of this cocktail with different specs and some additions. Turn this into a Nicanora or coupe glass, then garnish with a cherry and a lemon twist. The taste test. I think it firstly looks amazing, like that pale translucent yellowy green colour. Okay, this is a strange one. I get the absinthe taste, which is actually pleasantly surprising. It tastes really good. And it goes into the Old Tom gin, the vermouth and the maraschino, which I find a little bit of a weird combo. Just like a lot of sweetness. It's very aromatic and it is boozy, but it's just this sweetness I find a little bit too weird. The bitters do definitely help, but you know, if I was going to respec this, I'd prefer it with a London dry gin, cutting the vermouth down and removing the maraschino. I think if you like martinis or martinezes, give this a go. For me, I'm just going to give this a 5.3 out of 10.